So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll cover this amazing project basically based on Salesforce challenge. So here we'll cover first module, basically this first lab if we say, that is enable Agentforce and review. So first of all open it in a new tab. Basically follow all videos step by step. You can check the playlist present in the description or just check the playlist naturally. Now here first thing we have to do is we have to just sign in and create a developer organization. So right click over here, open a new tab, and here basically if you are following the Salesforce challenge in this channel, so you must be knowing we have to create a developer account. So how we have to do not worry, I'll show you. First of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now here basically you have to enter your first name, last name. It can be anything, you can write it, there is no issue. Now here we have to enter the email address which is linked to your basically which you'll be using over here. Okay, you have to just enter the email address like this, select your job role, you can select anything, company name anything, country also anything. Now postal code you can use the same which I am using. Now here you have to add a username, it can be anything, okay, like your name at the rate of company.co, like this you can just use it, or you can use the same which I am using just by adding more letters. Now click on sign me up. Now here you'll be getting one email, okay, you'll be getting an email to activate your new account. So it will be sent in your registered email address which you have used. So the email arrival time may take 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even more, so you need to wait for some time, okay, because many of you are saying that we are not getting the email. So in that case you have to simply wait, so just wait for some time. Finally here you can see after waiting for some time we got this welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. So you have to just click on this mail and just from there you have to click on verify. Let me show you how you have to do. Scroll down and you have to click on this verify button. You can see on the top and at the below the username is there. It will be used later on. Now here we have to click on reset and here we have to use any password. Now sometimes what happens, we get some kind of confirmation. We need to verify ourselves that we are genuine user. In that case you will be getting one code on your mailbox. So just come over here and just you can see the verification, copy it and then okay, then come over here and here you can see we have to paste it. Now we'll be requiring the username. As I have opened the previous mail, you have to do it like this also. For signing purpose you need first we'll change the password. Now here wait for the page to load. Now here carefully enter the password. You can see 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. You have to just follow it, and in the security question you have to just select anything. You can just write whatever I'm writing and just click on change. Now here you may get some kind of error, basically that the password should not be your username and basically your name. Like this you have to just change it. You can write anything, you can use any name, anything, but not your username. Okay, once you have clicked on change it will just reload the page and will be in the developer edition, basically whatever we have created. Now the next step comes, we have to connect our organization. Okay, you have to connect your organization basically in the playground. Okay, so you have to come to the same, basically same lab we call it. I'm calling it lab to make it simple instead of module. So now you can just click on update and here finally it's loaded. Now come over here. You have to just come to the create employee agents, basically this module, and then you can see we have to enable these settings. Okay, and first thing we have to just connect our organization which I said earlier. Okay, so just scroll down to the challenge page and I had already completed, so I am just retaking it to show you how you can do it. Now here you can see it's showing this. You have to click on connect organization. You can see multiple options are here, but I have completed earlier also, so I'm creating a new organization. Now here just come to your mailbox, copy the username which you have just now created. Okay, just paste it, enter the pass, just enter the pass which you have just now created. Okay, now here once you have done you have to just sign in, and once you are signed in you have to click on allow. After clicking on allow, you have to just click on yes, save it. And once you have clicked on yes, save it, finally your basically the organization is successfully connected. Now we have to turn on Einstein's and Agentforce agents. So how we'll do it? You won't see this retake step, you will see this step that verify points. Okay, now you have to cross verify that the username is successfully connected or not. In case it is not collected, you have to just select it like this. Okay, let me check the email first of all whether the same username is there or not. So it's there. Now I verified via date of creation. Okay, now you have to just click on launch and you can close the existing tabs. If here you can see these settings we have to own. So just come over here, wait for a few seconds for the page to fully load, and then let's move to the next step of this course. Come over here in the quick find, you have to just type Einstein setup. Click on it. It will take few seconds to load. Meanwhile, if you want to complete the arcade challenge, you can always check the description and playlist or course section because they gave Google Cloud goodies. Now turn on the Einstein. It will take some time. Now you have to refresh the browser window because sometimes what happens, we are unable to find the Agentforce agents. In that case, you have to refresh the browser window and wait for some time. Also, if you are still not getting, like let me show you if I am not getting. Yes, I am not getting. So in that case, you have to just refresh the browser window again and again and wait for some time, and then only you have to try again. So I'm glad I get this kind of error so that I will be able to help all of you. So you can see we have to enable the default agent also. So first of all, the page is reloaded. Now simply type Agentforce agents, and then simply you have to just turn on this. And if you try to check the score, will we get the score? Let's see. So chances are there you may not get the score because we have to just enable the default option also. So if you try to verify, you won't be getting a score instantly. Okay, you will get an output. I am showing this because many of you get stuck in particular task. So it will hint you in which task you are just missing out. So I wanted to show because you need to understand how the Salesforce also works. So you can see default agent is not enabled in your organization. Okay, it also hinting how we can turn it on. So you have to just scroll down and here you can see a default section. Let me show you. So here is the default section. You can turn it on, and once it is successfully on, you can see that we have to click on verify. Now you will surely get the score, and that's the way we have to complete it. I wanted to show the hint option because many of you are completely new to this platform and want to explore and enhance your career. So this was the quick challenge which we have completed. For other remaining challenges, you have to check the playlist. All the videos will be live soon. I think I will be uploaded soon also. So do like the video and subscribe.